Hey Logi, welcome to Fundu Tester. As a tester, I like coding, I like testing, but the boring and worst part for me is writing a steps to reproduce with Jira tickets or sometimes writing a test cases. I can figure it out the test cases, but documenting somehow I feel little boring. For a quite a long time, I was looking for something, some tool or some library or anything I can record or record and play the test cases, or I can simply record the test cases. So I came through the Test Case Studio. Using Test Case Studio, I can record all the steps while testing the application. So let's take a look of a Test Case Studio, how it looks, and there are pretty much paid version as well as the free version is available. So if you are a new user, you can go with a free, and if you think the tool is useful for you, you can go with a paid version as well. So let's discuss about a Test Case Studio after the small intro, and before that, like, share and subscribe.
Camera rolling action.
So here I'm on a Test Case Studio tab. So basically the aim of this a browser extension, this is basically a browser extension developed by Selector Hub, and using this basically we can install this extension on a multiple browsers like a Chrome, Firefox, or whatever browser we are using, and on that we can simply record the steps of any application. So whatever activities we are doing, let's say I'm performing some activity, I'm adding product to the cart, or I'm searching videos on YouTube. While doing the things, I will get a steps, screenshots, elements, everything is recorded, and after the completing the execution, I will get ready-made test cases, or if there is a bug and I wanted to raise a bug, I will get all the information after completing test or performing steps itself. So while writing a test cases, or while writing a boring steps to reproduce for Jira tickets or any test management tool, no need to again read through the again test cases or again scenarios and need to open the application. We will get everything ready made. So let's check it out how it works. So I'm going to basically install on a Chrome. So let me install on a Chrome, and this is basically extension. I'm simply doing add extension. So simply extension got added, and if I go to here, I can see there is option to pin the extension. So if I click on the pin, I can see the extension got added here. So simply I need to click on here, and by default it has already started the recording. So if I do the maximize, so here I can see this is the free version, and here it is showing upgrade to the pro just 2.5 bucks per month, which is if you consider in INR, it will be around somewhere around 200 rupees per month. So basically here we will see different options: steps, data, expected result, XPath, CSS selector, and a screenshot. And here we can pass a driver command. So for example, let's say we are looking for particular element and we are writing in our script like this, or somehow in a page object model. So we can just change the value and we will get everything ready made. So let's take a look. Let me going to the Chrome again. I'm going to YouTube. On a YouTube, I'm going to search Fundu Testers. Basically this is the Fundu Tester, and you see if I'm clicking on something, it will just highlight it. So if I'm clicking here Fundu and I'm going to the video tab, so you can see video got highlighted again. And next I'm going to the sort tab, playlist tab, community tab, channel tab, and about tab. So this is activities I have performed, and now I'm going to stop the recording. So again I'm going to the browser, Test Case Studio here, and it has pretty much recorded all the data. I can stop the recording. Now you can see open website, enter Fundu Tester into search field, click on IMG. So IMG is basically we have clicked on the YouTube channel logo, so that it has considered as an image element and added click on IMG. But after adding, you can even alter the steps, or you can delete, or if you want to add in between, for example, I want to add one scenario here, I missed something or it has not recorded, then I can add here. And if I wanted to delete a few steps, I can delete those data elements CSS selector, screenshot, everything I got ready made and I can download. So for example, test case, it got download 2 file, 1 image and 1 test cases. So if I go to the XLS, basically, so this is the XLS, how it looks. I can simply just copy this all the steps and I can simply update on a Jira ticket or wherever I wanted to write. And apart from, I got all the screenshot in a separate file. So there is a, you can see youtube.zip file. I just need to simply extract the folder. I can see all the images for these steps got recorded here. So for example, this particular element got failed, community element, so it is already highlighted, and if I want to raise as a bug attachment or a screenshot or whatever, so basically we will get highlighted pre-recorded screenshot. So this is reducing testers effort and we will get pretty much information ready-made. So let's take a look on a pro version. So again, I'm going to a TestCase Studio Pro and I have to simply click on the installing on a Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension. So I have added an extension and you can see here there are 2 options. So there is a little green kind of button here. So let me open this, and once I'll basically it is first on the first step it is asking for a login. So I entered a username and password and let me click on the login button. So now this it's more looks more beautiful than normal version. So if I, let's say if I'm going to open the normal one, a free one, and here I will show you the paid one as well. So you can see the comparison between this is the paid one and this is the free one, how it looks. So paid is a great UI and you can copy paste the test cases, Excel, CSV, PDF, docs, screenshot, and even you can record the screen. So there are more options are available, and apart from pause button and everything is quite clear. So here if you open the first time, bit confusing whether it is recording or not, but here you will see in a clear manner it is paused or recording or started or whatever is, and you can customize, you can predefine the command in a good manner. So here basically you are getting a good UI, will be more playful, and apart from XPath, CSS selector, you are getting logs, expected result, and all these things pretty much you are getting, and you can convert into a basically dark mode, even you can see in a lighter mode, but for a free version you will see only light mode. And here pretty much this the network logs, tutorial, everything you will see, but here you won't get this many options. So let's try how paid will look. So let me so I have stopped as of now. If I'm going to record this, I'm going to again this channel, I'm clicking on a home button, videos, shorts, playlist, community, channels, and about. So pretty much we have performed the same step. So basically we are getting all the elements. So let me maximize this. We are seeing all the data. Click on the video, source, playlist, and configure. So there you can see there is a one some dummy element. Click on IMG, or but here we are getting perfect element. And if I want to edit anything, so similar way I can add in between anything. And if I want to just download a screenshots, so I can download the screenshot. If I want this data into PDF, then I can get this data into a PDF in a good manner. I can simply share with this client a nice PDF format. For example, this data, input data, or arrow key, shift key, scroll event, this you want to disable or anything if you want to need. So this here you can do a lot more compared to the free version. And if we check out on a official website what it is saying, basically there is a one option to compare with a compare with a free, premium, and business. So here also you can see all the details, what are the benefits you will get on a premium version, and how free version will look like. So you can, I hope you will go through this, and this extension will be helpful for you if you are not paying any money, but still free version also you will get cool stuff. So I hope you like this extension and you like the video, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. फंडू टेस्टर मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द.